Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming NetPlus Roaming is active on your plan, because if it isn't, you'll not connect. Next, update to the latest iOS and restart the iPhone. This ensures carrier profiles load correctly. Then, open Settings, go to Cellular, and enable data roaming plus 4G or 5G. Once done, check airplane mode off and let the phone search networks. This sequence forces the device to request a roaming profile from NetPlus, so you don't waste time guessing. You should manually select a compatible local carrier when automatic selection struggles, because some hosts require a specific partner. Go to Settings, Network Selection, turn off Automatic, and pick the NetPlus partner shown in their list. Then verify the APN matches NetPlus roaming instructions. Incorrect APN prevents data. Make sure your preferred network type is set to 4G/5G for best speed. Once chosen, watch the status bar. Seeing the roaming indicator and partner name means you're connected. You now finish by testing data, SMS, and calls. Open a web page, run a quick speed test, and send one SMS to confirm everything works. If something fails, toggle airplane mode, restart the iPhone, and reselect the network. Then reapply the exact APN values NetPlus provided. If problems persist, contact NetPlus support with the screenshot of your settings and timestamps, because having that evidence speeds resolution. One key tip: always keep roaming usage monitored to avoid.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.